Hey, this is Heidie-Fernandez, your virtual assistant for today. In this video, I will show you how to put cost calculator function for your WordPress site. These are free tools for small business owners. I mentioned free tools because running a small business can be very expensive as we head towards the competitive world of online business. You're likely thinking about setting goals and thinking about automating your business as well. To help you with that, I've collected a list of free tools you can use for your business. It is more realistic to say, as a small business owner, you are more careful with your investment decisions. There are different ways to put cost calculator function into your website. One is via form. For this particular example that I am creating for you, it is via a JOTFORM. And the second one is via a plugin. If you know another creative way that is free on how to put cost calculator function into your WordPress site, please leave your comments and suggestions down below. It can probably be a plugin, a new form, a new tool that is free that can be used. I'd love to test that in the future. Let's get started. Sign in to your JOTFORM account. We are going to create a new form. Start from scratch. Classic form. We are going to name our form T-shirt form. Now we are going to put questions that we need from our sign-ups. Add form elements, so if you need their full name, you need their email, okay. If you need their address, and their phone number, you can put the basic elements that you need from your sign-ups. Okay. Now we're going to put information for the actual quotation. So, for example, we're going to put a multiple choice in here. So, for example, what type of t-shirt? This is with collar, without collar, and we have type option 3 in here, and type option 4. Okay. We are going to put values for each type of t-shirt. So, just click this icon in here, go to options, and put value for the different type of t-shirt. So, you can see here, with collar, without collar, type 3 option, type 4 option. We're going to put values for those different types of t-shirt. So use calculation values. So we are going to put the values in here. Collar will be $100, without collar will be $200, $300, and $400. Okay, and then we're good. Another one, another form or another element will be how many. So we are going to put a number in here. So it is asking a question, how many, or the quantity. Okay. And then lastly, we're going to add a widget. Form calculation widget. Okay. Add field. In the sidebar, you will see the form calculation widget. This is where we are going to put the calculations for our form. So add field, type of shirt, multiplication, and then lastly for another field, that would be the quantity field. Okay. And hit save at the bottom here. We're good. Now we're going to test our form. Enable this or preview form. Okay. Fill this up, and then at the very bottom we're going to put some the information for the type of t-shirt. For example, with color, and we are ordering for 100 pieces. So automatically you can put, you can see the total amount in here. We should put total in here. Let me just put total. Okay, now we're going to preview it again. Okay, type of t-shirt is, for example, without collar, and we are ordering for 20 pieces of it. So automatically you can see here the total amount, which is 4,000, and then hit submit. Okay, all the information is in there, and hit submit. This is the actual form that we're going to put in our website. Okay. Now, an auto response or an auto message will pop up. Your submission has been received, and now we're going to, let's check it out, because once you submitted this form, it will automatically send a confirmation in your email. Okay, here is the confirmation that I got from JOTFORM. Let's check it out. Let's see how what are the information we got from signing up from that quotation form. Okay, we got a name, my name that I signed up, that I used for the sign up, and then the email address. I have the street address in here, my phone number, the type of shirts, and the quantity, and the total. So there you go. That is via JOTFORM. Now I'm going to show you how to put that in your website. Also, different settings that you may need in your form. There are different email configurations, so you can send a notification in here where you will be notified, for example, if a sign up into your form or a quotation request is has been done into your website or submitted into your website. So you will receive a notification and all other integration in here. Now we are going to put the form into our website. There are different ways on how to do it. You can embed it to your website. Okay, just copy and paste this snippet and put the form on your website. We are going to do that. Sign in to your website. We are going to we are going to copy and paste this snippet into our website. So this is the test post. I'm naming the page or the post as test. Now we're going to get the code, copy code, and put it in there. Now let's see. So it's here now. Oh, as you can see here, this is the test form that we created. The JOTFORM, the type of shirt, the quantity, and the total. You can embed it, or okay, or you can create a button in your website. Let me just check it out here. If you don't want the entire form to be embedded, if you don't want the form to be embedded on your page, just you can create a button. The button below, if that is a button. For example, let's choose a button. Another way is, if you don't want to embed the entire form into your page, is for you to put information here, blah 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 blah, put the information that you'd like to put in the page. For example, advantage of whatever your free offer, whatever information you like to put, and then what they would like to do is redirect them into the JOTFORM. So we are going to click or link this button to open in a new tab, link to custom URL. So we are going to get the URL in JOTFORM. So this one, we're going to copy it and link the button. Okay, then update. Okay, now we're going to update it and preview the page. So initially we embedded it into the page. Now we created a button and we link that button to the JOTFORM. Okay, now you can put it this way, just a button, and then if your visitor click the link or click the button, they will be automatically redirected to the JOTFORM. Okay, there you go. Good luck. Leave this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and leave a nice comment down below if you're feeling generous. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification.